Hey guys, this is JD with Hoppe Industries down in Troop, Texas. Sitting here in our newest creation on the Kawasaki MULE Pro. I'm a horsepower speed guy personally. Like going fast. Every now and again a unit comes in and you get a part of it because people are asking for it and just are a little surprised. Well, that Kawasaki MULE Pro here, they did surprise me. They were it's pretty nice, rides great, and we're getting a lot of requests from them, especially in our home region, the East Texas region. We got a lot of people with these, and branching into the south. So a lot of people have been requesting them because we have the minis for it. And so on top of that, now we have our first audio shade for the Kawasaki MULE Pro. Now the great thing about this one is, on top of the absolute crystal clear sound that we've designed into this and partnered with Kicker for all the audio components, is that this top still retains its function. What makes it such a great vehicle is its ability to convert from single row or dual row of people up to 6, and then it has the tilting bed. The bed will extend into the back row, and then the bed tilts. The way it does that is the roof has to be able to flex in it. So when we designed this audio shade for the MULE Pro, we wanted it to do what it's supposed to do, which is provide amazing sound, our quality, fit, finish, and all of the features that you've come to know from a Hoppe audio shade. But also with this one, we wanted to still retain your function. If you're using this on the ranches and the farms and you want to be able to work the way you want and still retain the bed function, that's what we wanted to do. So what you can see here is the audio shade is right here. It has all the speakers. This one is the 82, so it has 2 10-inch subs and 8 6.5 inch. It is extremely loud. It has the RGB lights and front and rear light bars. But also, so this part's the audio shade. And for those with the dual row or the 4-door versions, we take the initial plastic piece that is on the original unit, on your original roof, and it's still here. So it still functions for the bed to tilt and do everything. And it's integrated with the roof, our audio shade. And so it works just fine. And everything still retains all of its function. And you get all the sound of Hoppe, you get all the performance out of having all the lights in there, the light bars, just simple installation, basically set on. It's one of the easiest ones we've ever done. And so you get that and you retain your function. So it's a really great option for you. We're going to show you a couple more of the features and stuff that you've come to know and give you a little bit better, closer look.